welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so as you guys know, I moved, so I've been uploading moving vlogs, and I have this table. It's like a small little table, and I've had it for a while now, but it's like really good quality, like it's really heavy and stuff, so I don't want to get rid of it. But this pattern does not match my home decor, so I have this contact paper, and it's like tan. It has like a little hint of gray in it, and it's like white. Well, on camera it's showing up as like purple, but it's like a bluish purplish gray, which it'll just blend in basically, like you won't be able to tell. So what I'm going to do is add the contact paper to this small table. I have this huge mirror right here, and then I want the table right here, and then I'm going to do something on the sides of the table, and I will show you guys that, of course, probably maybe in this vlog, I'm not sure, but I did want to go ahead and record this part. And yeah, so we've just literally been moving. I've been like unpacking. We have like little boxes in here, and yeah, like everything is just like everywhere. So yes, everything, it just looks a mess. So we are about to actually get our couches. Desmond went to go pick them up. So while he's doing that, I'm just going to make myself useful and do this, and then also finish unpacking. Okay guys, so here is the table, and then I got this contact paper from the Contact brand. I got it from Walmart, and yeah, it's basically just an adhesive, and yeah, they also have it at Dollar Tree, but I already had this. I've had this for like 3 years, so I just been like keeping it, and every time I move I just keep it or whatever. So I just so happened to see it, and it matched, and I've been looking for the perfect piece to go where it's going, and I was like, wait, I can just use this. So it has like the measurements and stuff on the back, like a ruler, so I could just go ahead and place this down, and then I'll just be able to cut where I want to cut it at. So I want to fold it over the edges, so I'm going to make sure I leave more than enough so I can have room to do that. And yeah, it's really simple. I used to do this all the time. I might do it to my desk that I have, and so if I do that, I will record it as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. Like I said, I'm gonna cut more than enough just to be safe. And I'm gonna flip it around and use the ruler on the back to cut it instead, because y'all, I'm a horrible cutter. Like, I will say that about me. It actually has like a little dip on the side, so I'm gonna tuck it everywhere, and it's just gonna look so seamless and nice. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. And guys, this is not a tutorial. I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing, because I've done it multiple times. So if you guys are interested, you can literally just probably follow along. You can probably just follow along with what I'm doing, or just YouTube some actual like in detail tutorials. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure that I get it in this little crease thingy so it can look seamless. And then pull it just a little bit and take my hand and go over it like this. Never be able to tell that this was a sticker at all. Make sure you get the bubbles out. I'm gonna actually get something that I can like run across that's more flat than my hand. But as you guys can see, it looks good already. The lighting is kind of like so bright in here, it's making it dim, but so here is one of the chairs. We're gonna have another one right there, but I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so I actually want to go with this pillow instead. Y'all probably seen these on my couch in my videos, but I decided I'm going to actually just put these on the chairs instead because it just looks so cute. And it has like that tan and like a little bit of silver, and it just ties everything together over here. So the other one will be right here with the same pillow. And yeah, let me know what you guys think so far. Don't mind that mark. That's from the mirror falling. This chair and a cute little painting, and we got a candle holder. I finally found the perfect chair, and guess what guys? It was on clearance. Desmond so happened to find it while we were in the store, and like this is the perfect color, and this is the exact style that I wanted. I was looking for a gray one because I didn't even think that they had pink. And then I found this. And then I also found this cute painting. So I'm gonna hang this up. I honestly don't know where should I put that on this wall. I'm thinking that the girls just wanna have fun's one might have to come down, or I might put this one in the center. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I have the painting up. The other one is down. I have to go get some more command strips, but I replaced the white one that was up for this one, and then I'll keep you guys updated with how this wall comes along. But yeah, I might have some more updates tomorrow, but this will for sure be done by this weekend. So I'm super excited, and I hope you guys love it so far. Let me know your thoughts down below, and let me know how you guys are liking the moving vlogs. Tomorrow there will be a do-it-yourself video, so make sure you have my post notifications on so you can be notified, and make sure you guys comment. I also wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of tomorrow's video so y'all can get excited. So let's see, do you guys know what this is? It's a print that's all I'm gonna give you guys. I've been giving you guys little hints in all of my videos, and if you guys haven't watched my other moving vlogs, make sure you guys go check out that playlist. I have all of my moving vlogs in there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.